Alright guys, so we have a Bosch refrigerator and I'm going to show you how to remove the serving drawer. Pretty straightforward. This is another model and it's the same way. I'll show it to you shortly. By the way, Bosch is probably one of my favorite refrigerators and dishwashers as well. Now, to activate the light switch, you use a magnet, and this will help you to turn the lights off and to make sure the fan is flowing. So on the wine storage area here, we're going to be removing the racks and also lifting the serving drawer out. Now, you see that track, the harness, how it moves? That harness will never break. Now, many models, including Samsung, for example, over time, it snaps. Not on that unit. Very well designed. And we're going to be removing the racks, and it's pretty straightforward. Just follow along. Just remember you have a harness at the bottom that must be unplugged before you can do anything. And be careful with the glass. That glass is pretty heavy, so when you lift it, use two hands just in case. And clip, squeeze and pull. And now you pretty much can just lift. I'm not going to fully extract it. This is only demonstration. And that's it. You do have those tabs you have to put back in. They slide in. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Nice, sweet, and short video.